So here is Costco app. So let's just go through the app and let's see how to use it and why it can be quite popular in US. So yeah, this is the Costco iOS app. As you can see, you can find all of the stuff here: furniture, appliances, monitors, laptops, things for your house, TVs, swimming pools. Just yeah, literally one of alternatives for Amazon. You can see some savings, some deals, and it's a really good idea to use the app actually, because then you can just find all the deals in the app, and it's quite convenient. You can see some online savings, some treasure hunt, some what's new, get email offers, um, and then you can just sign in using Face ID. Then there is like warehouses. If you give your location, you can easily access all of these warehouses. Then there is menu, and then you can see all the departments and services. So it's gas prices, grocery, hearing aids, optical, pharmacy, photo center, tires, travel services. Yeah, all of these things you can just literally get into one app. It's like super shopping app, so give it a try.